Salut! I'm giving you a little tour of my apartment I've been renting in Paris in the 16th arrondissement. It's just everything I want in an apartment in Paris. In the entryway, you have this old door handle that's vintage, it's so beautiful. On the right, you have, I guess you call these French doors in English, that lead you in the living room. On the floor, you have this very traditional Parisian chevron wood floor that I love. The moldings on the ceiling, oh my god. Some art piece, more art piece, some Prada picture. I love the decoration that they made. You have the TV, some more art from Matisse, some flowers, another picture. I'm in love with this apartment. Oh my god. The fireplace in the living room, because I have two. A Vogue magazine, very good taste. Some fluffy pillows. Art piece again. A little scented perfume. Here we have some music player, I guess, and a vacuum, a little chair, cozy chair, some books. Oh, they have Louis Vuitton and Dior bags at the top. They have Bridgerton. Sundays in Paris. By the window, they put this traditional French family game. There are these sheer curtains that allows the light to get in, and you also have some more thick curtains as well. And I love that I have this little outside space where only me can go, so it's honestly so nice because at night you can chill here with your friends and everything. Let's go back inside. The table, the chairs, more little decorations, dried flowers bouquet, a Jimmy Choo bag. Mais attends. Photos, and this. Franchement, pour le prix, c'est hyper grand. So, through this door, you can go to the bedroom, but let's go to the main entrance. Ta-da! So, we have the same chevron wood floor that make a lot of noise, but I love it. It's vintage. My little best friend on my bed. The stunning marble fireplace. The moldings on the ceiling. A nice window. A little throw. My little nightstand. Showing you the little details of the fireplace and the huge mirror. I have my sunglasses, I see. Some ballerina decor. Here I'm trying to show you like the view from the mirror. I like this little corner too, with fashion inspired objects and decorations. Quelle heure est-il? Putting my throw in the middle because I'm a perfectionist. Attends, je réfléchis 2 minutes. Here I do my makeup and my hair because it has the natural light from the window. Pretty pictures on the wall again, the Eiffel Tower, the Pont Alexandre III. The dressing, so I put my things in it, but I wish there was like a curtain in front of it because it looks messy. Yeah, the outside space again, and so this door goes to the living room. It's traditional Parisian again, like to have multiple doors for one room. Anyways, it's just the perfect combination of traditional and vintage with modern lifestyle and decoration. So in the hallway, they had this ballerina art, then the kitchen.
La cuisine, elle est immense pour Paris, quoi.
I don't like the decoration because compared to the apartment, it feels like it was not decorated, but I like the size. Same for the bathroom, it's just not decorated. Me loving decoration and interior design, I feel frustrated because I have so many ideas of what I would have done. Anyways, outside you have the black fences, like again traditional Parisian. And there is also private parking in the middle of the cour intérieure. So that's amazing. Thanks for watching and hang on for my Parisian adventures.